Hello everyone, we have finally launched the Stackby Apps Marketplace. With this, you can create and customize your own custom dashboards for reporting, tracking, and visualizing your Stackby data. If you're looking to create dashboards like this, follow me along in this tutorial where I will show you step by step on how to create dashboards with different apps like charts, pivot table, row cards, summary boxes, goal tracker from the marketplace. Let's go. Let's get started. So we are going to take marketing campaign tracker as an example template to create our dashboards. Imagine you're running all your marketing campaigns and managing that in Stackby. You're managing what are the campaign names, which channel it will go to, what is the status of those campaigns, the budget, the start date, all the campaign assets, who's the lead, what are the clicks, conversions, and the conversion status of those campaigns. So if you want to create a real-time dashboard for all your campaigns, let's first start with creating a first dashboard. So you will see on top right, there is an apps button. The first thing that you need to do is just create a dashboard. So you add a dashboard, you name it campaign reporting dashboard. And then start with adding an app. So we have launched 10 different apps currently in the apps marketplace. You can add charts, summary boxes, description, goal tracker, pivot tables, record overviews, countdown trackers, and more. So let's start with creating a very basic summary box. So I just add an app. Here it gives me a count of campaigns from the view all campaigns, and I've just taken a count of those campaigns, right? So I'll just add a label. I'll call it total campaigns and save it. Now I'll add another app where I just want to track the sum of the budget across all the campaigns. So I'll add an app. Again, I'll add a summary app, but in this case, I want to take from the campaigns table from this view. Here, I will click on summary and then I will add the budget, and the summary type here is the sum. So it gives me the total budget for all the campaigns. So this is another summary box that we've used. Now, let us add a basic chart. I'll add an app. Here, I will add a chart. So it automatically loads a chart. In this, I want to use the campaigns table. The view will be all campaigns. We will use a bar chart type. The x-axis will be, let's just say, status, where I just want to see the status of all those campaigns. And the y-axis will be the count of those records. So how many campaigns have different statuses, right? And the count of the overall statuses. I'll just create another color, call it done, and that's it. So I've added a chart. Now, if I update any of this in real time, let's just say this goes from revision to upcoming, you will see the chart changes in real time. This goes to work in progress, this goes to cancelled or upcoming. So it automatically changes as you work on your Stackby data. Now let's create a little advanced chart. So I'll add an app. I'll again add a chart. In this case, I want to look at the statuses, and in the y-axis column, I want to look at the budget. So I will now see that I've grouped statuses along with the budget on the y-axis, right? So in the live, almost $1,200 of budget is used. There's $1,400 of budget is used on campaigns that are rejected, and 5,750 budget is used on campaigns that are upcoming. I'll again add this. In this case, I can select any, in the y-axis, I can select any number-based column. So a number-based column can be on currency, can be on aggregation, can be on lookup or a formula. And you can create a summary of it. I can create sum, min, max, or mean. So in this case, I'm just taking a sum and creating a basic tracker where I just want to see the budget of the campaigns by statuses. Then I do it done, and that's it. So this one is for the number of records, and this one is for the budget. Now I want to use another feature in chart where we will group and create a stacked bar chart. Again, I'll add an app. In this case, I want to look at status, and I want to group it by channels, and I want to stack them. So I will now see, and I will just click on show legend. So I will now see how many campaigns are on what channels, and it's all stacked together. So now you will see in upcoming, you will see there's one on Twitter, two on LinkedIn, and one on Google Ads. So I can create stacked bar charts like this. I can also use columns where I can see it by budget. So the stacked bar chart will now be grouped by budget. And I can choose to show the legend where I can see the legend like this. I can also choose to not include the empty cells, but in this case, all the cells are filled, but it won't matter. But you can also choose to not include the empty cells. So just rename this app. You call it campaigns by budget and channels. That's it. I've created a new stacked bar chart. So after summary and charts, let's go on creating a pivot table. So now we'll add a pivot table app. So it automatically creates a very basic pivot table. So we want to use the same table, campaigns. The view is all campaigns. The row grouping here, let's just say, is channels. So I will see how many records are on how many channels. But in the column grouping, I want to see it by status. So you will see within Facebook how many of them are on live and how many of them are on revision and how many of them is work in progress. I can also choose to summarize them. So this is automatically taking the count of records, but I can also summarize them by a specific field where I just want to look at, let's just say, the budget field and create a summary type, which is sum. So you will see now across these channels with different statuses, what is the budget across each of those channels and according to their statuses. So I'll just save it. So here you've created your pivot table. Now let's just create a goal tracker. So goal tracker app allows you to create your custom goal trackers. Let's just say you want to now create a goal tracker where I want to basically look at the total conversions. My goal set is 1,000. I want to select from the campaigns table the same view. And here the option is, I will see within the view, there's a column called conversions. So basically, let's just say we'll make it 1000. So total conversions today across all those campaigns is 209, but our goal is 1K. So I can also choose to add our own symbol, and I will save it. So this is total conversions. I can similarly add another goal tracker for clicks. Let's just say this is 10,000. This is total clicks. Select column where I want to look at clicks, and that's it. So this is how you can keep adding the different apps. Now, if anything changes across your table, let's just say 1400 goes to 1500, all of it changes in real time. The data completely changes in real time. Let's just say the conversions go to 55. You will see the total conversions being changed. So this is how you can create your custom, reporting dashboard. Now we'll also add another quick app called Record Overview. So Record Overview app allows you to list important records in your table. So let's just say you want to look at from the campaigns table, I want to look at all campaigns, and I want to limit the records, show me the top 5 campaigns, right? And I want to sort it by budget. So these are all the campaigns with highest budgets, and I can save it and just rename this app top campaigns by budget. So this becomes like a record overview app. I can individually click each of these records to open it and see it from anywhere. So now this is how you can create your own custom apps and add it on top of your Stackby data. I can individually open this app as well, like this, and I can redo the boxes so to make it look perfect according to our size. Let's just say just click on done, and that's it. So this is how you can create your custom dashboard by moving around all the important records and just reordering the width based on how you like it. So let's just say I will take it here, I will take this here, I will move it around, I will take the pivot table like this, move the charts like this. That's it. So of course you can order it in a much better format than how I'm doing it, but you get the gist in terms of how I'm trying to reorder the apps on our dashboard. So whenever I open next, I will see my own dashboard in the order that I've set. So this is how you can create your custom reporting dashboards for analyzing, tracking, and visualizing your Stackby data. And you can use it for different workflows in your organization. So this is for marketing campaigns. Imagine you're using a sales CRM. You can create dashboards like this on revenue goals, total deals, reps, which reps are working on what revenue and what are the statuses of it. You can create interesting pivot tables and all your new deals. So feel free to use this in your workflow and take your Stackby workflows to the next level. We are continuously adding more apps to our apps marketplace, so you will see more possibilities with these dashboards in the coming future. Cheers, and give us the feedback. If you find any issues, just feel free to reach out to us on support, and we will help you out in the best possible way. Thanks a lot. Cheers.